To transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a cold wallet. The process is relatively easy and quick. First, open your cold wallet, which can be any type of wallet you currently have, as the process is similar across different wallets. Look for the option to manage cryptocurrencies, often denoted by a token, and click on it. From the search results, enable the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer or receive in your cold wallet by selecting it and then clicking on it. Next, enable the network for your selected cryptocurrency and save the changes. Scan your wallet's card with your app, and your cryptocurrency will be enabled. Scroll down, click on the enabled cryptocurrency, and then click the Receive button to obtain your wallet address for the selected cryptocurrency. Copy this address. Then open the Coinbase app and search for the same currency you enabled in your cold wallet. Select the cryptocurrency from the search results and click on the Transfer option, followed by the Send option. Paste the wallet address you copied from your cold wallet into the relevant field and click Continue. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Select the network, ensuring it matches the one selected in your cold wallet, and click Preview. Enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app, and you will be prompted to send the cryptocurrency. Verify your wallet address and the transfer amount, and once satisfied, click Send Now. Following these steps will successfully transfer your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a cold wallet.